your affiliate link. Did you know if you do certain things a certain way, you could risk getting your affiliate link banned? Let's talk about that on the other side. All right, welcome back. We're talking about affiliate links and how not to get your affiliate link banned. Basically, what most affiliate marketers do, or I should say many of the unexperienced affiliate marketers or affiliate marketers that just follow what everybody else is doing, they pretty much advertise their affiliate links the same way. And there's three methods that a lot of affiliate marketers use to advertise their affiliate links to get leads and traffic and to try to make sales. One is by social media, such as advertising on Facebook. Another one is going to Google, making PPC or making ads. And another one is solo ads or email traffic. Now, by posting your links, raw links in those mediums, did you know you could risk getting your affiliate link banned? Google, Facebook, a lot of other social media platforms, and email providers do not like raw affiliate links going directly to your affiliate offers. And especially Facebook, you could risk getting your ad account shut down, your Facebook page shut down. Same thing with Google, could shut down your Google account. And also your URL or your affiliate link could get banned by email providers if you send out and publish or promote your raw affiliate link. The best thing to do to avoid from getting your affiliate link banned is create a landing page. And on that landing page, you're going to talk a little bit about not your product that you're selling, but a little bit about the potential customer's core desires, such as making money, or more free time, spend more time with the family, or firing their boss. Something that's going to appeal to them, to want them to enter their email into your landing page where you can capture their email, because most visitors to your website never purchase on their first time, so you're going to need to capture their email so that you can market to them later. And then once they put their email in to your landing page and hit that little enter button, then they go over to your primary affiliate offer. And if you're going to advertise on Facebook or Google or social media or on email, you always want to have some kind of custom domain. You can get a custom domain name from, let's say, Namecheap or GoDaddy for like 10 bucks or something. Get yourself a custom domain, create yourself a landing page. You can create one by using ClickFunnels. That's a very popular and easy to use landing page and funnel builder. And then you can, by having that landing page, then you send your customers over to your affiliate offer. And also that makes you, not only does it protect your affiliate link, but it takes you above head and shoulders of all the other marketers who are just spamming their links all over the internet, hoping to make sales. And you're going to be totally different. You're going to be above everybody else. You're going to take your game to the next level. So I hope that tip will give you a little bit of encouragement on how to proceed to the next step or the next higher level of your affiliate marketing. And I'll see you on my next video.